A very warm good afternoon to all of you. I'm Dr. Meenakshi Iyer Gangopadhyay, the coordinator of the Student Counselling Cell. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome Mrs. Meeta Brahmabhatt, Counsellor of Nalanda Nritya Mahavidyalaya, our dear Principal, Dr. Srimati Mahavidyalaya, our joint coordinator, Mrs. Jonaki Raghavan, our parent coordinator, Mr. Babu Zakaria, our student coordinator, Suran, and our technician, our very own, Vignesh Mahajan. Today we come in front of you with a very important, significant topic, which is very relevant for parents. It's a topic which is not relevant just today. I think it's a universal topic. Joyful parenting. How to make your child happy and successful. So we begin this event, but before that, I would request our principal, Dr. Mahavidyalaya, to please say a few words.
Namaskar. Thank you so much, Dr. Meenakshi Iyer, for so beautifully speaking about everything that is happening here today and always at Nalanda. I'm so happy to welcome Meeta ji once again with her most interesting way of talking about very simple things of life at times, which probably we need to address very seriously and sincerely. There is no set formula how to handle the most closest of relationship that we have with our children. We all know it is very difficult, and today's times it's all the more difficult. Please come out with your own suggestions, questions to Meeta ji, because I think we all sail in the same boat when we are with the adolescent kids. So with that, I stop here. Thank you so much, Dr. Meenakshi Iyer, for making me speak.
Thank you, Umaji. Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am, and all the council team of the Nalanda. And first, my hearty naman to all the parents. तो बोलते हैं ना, न मात्र पर दैवित्वम, माँ से बढ़कर कोई देव नहीं है, और पितृ देव भव, पिता देवता सम्मानी है. सो माता और पिता एक सबसे पहले बड़े गुरु है अपने बच्चों के लिए. आज हम कुछ नई टेक्निक शेयर करेंगे जो काफी लोगों को पता भी होगा, शायद इम्प्लीमेंट भी करते होंगे, और इस तरह से हम आज एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करेंगे. अब मैं खास करके एक फैक्टर बोलूंगी, टी फैक्टर होता है. एक होता है टैलेंट. अभी जाहिर सी बात है, अगर कोई इंसान टैलेंटेड होगा तो हमारा ध्यान उसकी तरफ ज्यादा जाएगा कि हाँ, इसके काफी टैलेंट है. हमें पता है कि आज हमारे बच्चों में हमसे ज्यादा टैलेंट है. हमारा जो टैलेंट था वो क्या था? एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड था. आज का टैलेंट कहाँ से आ रहा है? गूगल, यूट्यूब, काफी सब है जो बच्चे जानते हैं, और उस हिसाब से वो काफी उनकी स्मार्टनेस दिखाते. तो हमें जब भी लगता है कि बच्चा हमारी बात सुनता नहीं है या मानता नहीं है, तो हमें बुरा नहीं लगाना है. हमें एक्सेप्ट करना है कि ये कहीं और से टैलेंट है जहाँ पे दिखाया जाए. नाउ सेकंड इज टेक्नोलॉजी. अगर आप देखा जाए कि टेक्नोलॉजी काफी प्रोग्रेस कर चुकी है. आज टेक्नोलॉजी बिकॉज ऑफ पैंडेमिक हम टेक्नोलॉजी में एक दूसरे के कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हैं, तो काफी अच्छी बात है. एक तरह से काफी प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है, एंड वी शुड बी हैप्पी कि आज हम कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हैं. बाहर के दूर के लोग पास में करीबी आ रहे हैं, राइट? तो अगर देखा जाए तो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी इज डूइंग वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. लेकिन अगर देखा जाए पर्सनल और सोशल लाइफ के हिसाब से, तो इट इज नॉट डूइंग गुड, इट इज हैविंग साइड इफेक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट है टॉलरेंस. हमें हमारे बच्चों में टॉलरेंस इस तरह से ग्रो करवानी है, उनको स्ट्रगल का मतलब सही मायने में. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, how you are going to make your child responsible depends lot in your childhood days. Very important कि आज की तारीख में अगर बच्चों के साथ कैसे हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप, healthy family relationship. This is a very important thing. How we can keep it happily depends on us as a parent. So very important, this 5 ways, जो भी जो arrogance है, arguments है, anger है, aloneness है, we have to treat them, जैसे मैंने कहा, हमें handle नहीं करना है, हमें treat करना है with respect, with being a good coach, with open communication, with mutual respect. तो उसी तरह आज हमारे बच्चे ये creative film है, तो they are with full passion, they are involved. So support them, cooperate them, and make their life as beautiful, like giving them the mutual respect, and I will say that mutual understanding, sharing of thoughts. See, so that is very important. ये टॉपिक एक ऐसा है पेरेंटिंग में, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, जितना डिस्कस किया जाए उतना कम है. मैं यही कहूँगी, आपके बच्चे में टाइम कितना लगता है टू गेट इमोशनल कनेक्ट. जितना टाइम आप इमोशनल कनेक्ट में लगाओगे उतना ही टाइम उसको चेंज करना. So be connected with emotionally and not judge your children. Every child has a lovely one strong quality, and we have to search that, help them to find that purpose of life. And then that will help you to bring a happy, successful child. Yeah? Thank you so much.
May I now request our parent coordinator of the student council, Zakaria, to please say a few words on behalf of the parents. Thank you.
Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste.
I would
Namaste.
like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the counselor
Thank you,
and
sir.
the counseling cell for organizing this session for the parents. We do realize the general personal gap we have with our children, and what we want about our parents. So that will not help. No. Thank you for reminding us in an elaborate way that how to behave with the children. More guidance is required by the parents than the children. They will grow as per the situation. And what you said is very rightly correct. Google is the guru, not only for the children, for us also. Thank you. We will put weightage to more problems than to expectation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Babu Zakaria. And may I now request our joint coordinator, Mrs. Jonaki Raghavan, to please propose the vote of thanks.
So, on behalf of Nalanda Nritya Mahavidyalaya's Student Counselling Cell, our esteemed principal, Dr. Uma Rele, Coordinator Student Counselling Cell, Dr. Meenakshi Iyer Gangopadhyay, all our esteemed teachers and non-teaching staff, all our respected parents present today, parent representative of Student Counselling Cell, Mr. Babu Zakaria, our student coordinator, Simran, and our video and photography in charge, Vigneshji, and I, joint coordinator, Student Counselling Cell. We all extend our deep gratitude to Srimati Meeta Brahmabhatt for sharing her knowledge and time on discussing and enlightening us on today's topic, parenting, how to make your child happy and successful. Meeta ji, we hope to hear from you. We hope to hear from you again over yet another interesting and equally relevant topic soon. Thank you so much.